Samsung's Galaxy F was apparently privately showcased at CES, and reports claim that it looks a little better. Apple reportedly also cut down on its production of the iPhone for the first quarter of 2019, and it looks like the Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite is going to get a better name than what we heard. I'm Jaime Rivera, reporting from CES 2019. We've got more live coverage of everything that's here. There's a lot of cool, actually. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with product launches. We already have a hands-on video being cooked for the Nubia Magic Mars. We've got Jabra, we've got DJI also. There are a ton of launches, also something from Hisense that we're really looking forward to sharing with you guys. CES is getting really cool, and obviously where to find new stuff is in the playlist in the channel. Now let's talk about the Google Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL. For those of you that were complaining, including all of us reviewers, of the poor quality in audio when it comes to filming video, there's a software update that apparently fixes that, and that's not the only fix. There were other people that were having issues recording video as well, thinking it was a codec issue or whatever the case may be. Make sure you get the software update. I haven't updated mine, but I'll keep you posted when I do. Now, for those of you that join me in thinking that the Galaxy S10 should not be called the Lite because of all the specs that we covered yesterday, reports claim that it's going to be called the Galaxy S10 E. What are they thinking with the E? I have no clue. Hopefully they'll explain it at the event, but we have reports that we might be getting some information on invites very soon. And yes, Apple is not having a good time when it comes to sales of iPhones, up to the point where the company is reportedly dropping production by 10%. So those 47 million they were planning to produce for the first quarter is apparently going to be more like 40 million. And it could be even worse going forward. As you know, products decline over time, so we'll see about that. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with the Galaxy F and reports from the Korea Times that it was showcased privately to people here. I'm not on the list, and I'm not kidding this time. I have not seen it yet. The reports claim that it's actually thinner than what was showcased earlier in the developer conference, that you can break it if you bend it to a certain degree, and so many other things, which just makes me think that it's not even close to being a finished product. Let us know in the comments down below. I mean, what do you think? Do you think that there's actually a reason for this foldable craziness to happen or not? Because in my case, I still feel that it's a solution in search of a problem. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.